Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video will be making Jamaican rock cake. What we're gonna make?
Rock cake.
Jamaican rock cake, or some people call it rock bun. So if you want to see us make that rock cake, stay tuned and watch this video. Tell them what to do, Maya.
Subscribe and hit the bell and subscribe.
So like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to our video. Subscribe to our channel if you aren't already subscribed. For our ingredients, we'll be using 2 cups of grated coconut. What I did, I break the coconut, peel off the brown part of it, the outer layer, and then I grate it. 1/2 cup of sugar. So we have white sugar and we got brown sugar. So in all, this is 1 cup of sugar. 2 large eggs. 3 cups of flour. This is unbleached. You can use all purpose. Vanilla extract. Nutmeg. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We're gonna use 1 cup of milk, coconut milk. And we're gonna use 11 tablespoons of butter. This is half, and I cut the other half, so this is 11 tablespoons, which is 1 cup. No, which is 1/2 cup. Sorry. So these are what we're gonna use. First, we're gonna start by incorporate the fat into the flour. So you wanna take out your butter or margarine out the fridge, so it can be not too soft and not too hard. Now we're gonna rub in the fat into the flour for it to have some great flavor and a great crispy nice texture. Okay, nice, Moya? You wanna help me do this? Are you waiting on your part to whisk the eggs? Yeah? Alright, whisk the eggs while I do this. You can whisk the eggs while I do this part. Okay, so you're gonna make everything combine together, Moya. So by doing this, you're gonna feel the flour feeling like sun. It's gonna get crumbly and dry. And this is called the rubbing method. See? This is the texture, see? All crumble like breadcrumbs. So I'm basically going to just add all the dry ingredients together after I finish combining all the fat into the flour. So now I'm gonna add the coconut flakes. You want clean hands for this because you mostly will be using your hands, but you don't have to use your hand, but I prefer to use my hand because people were using their hands before this technology. These things were equipment were invented. It's okay, just do the
But I'm making a flour the mess.
It's okay, Maya, we can clean up after.
Okay. Then we can do no channel.
Yeah.
But I get to put a flour in my egg.
You're gonna after do all the dry ingredients, you're gonna add the egg. Now I'm adding the sugar. So that was the white granulated one, and now I'm using the brown one, as I told you before. The baking powder, 2 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna incorporate everything
a good one.
Do this into a large bowl, as you're gonna get things everywhere in the kitchen. You're gonna make a big mess if you don't do this into a large bowl.
But this is like egg yolk.
Tell Amaya, if you want to check out our other videos.
Mommy, this is like egg yolks.
Yeah, those are egg yolks and egg white together. See, we incorporating everything together.
Okay.
I'm gonna preheat the oven 350 degrees.
Mommy?
Just whisk it. Now I'm gonna add one tablespoon of nutmeg. Yeah.
You're gonna add an egg in the oven?
No, we're gonna add the egg in this.
Okay, so you can put this in the oven?
Yeah, when we add the milk, we're gonna add the milk now.
Yay! This milk?
So I'm gonna add 1 cup of raisin. Now it's time to add the milk. This is half. Am I gonna add the egg now? Please.
No.
Give it one more nice whisk and then you add the egg.
I'm gonna add it in.
Come, add it. That's okay. Ooh, nice.
Mommy, eggy's looking eggy today.
What we're doing now, we're gonna fold it. You don't want to add all of the 1 cup of liquid or milk, because you can use water instead of milk. You want to feel the texture first before you add all of the milk. Yeah.
I'm getting hungry for this.
You getting hungry for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to wait until it's done so you can taste it. Alright? That's so good. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I almost forgot this. Okay. This is gonna give us some flavor, boy. Right? It's gonna give us lots of flavor into the rock cake or rock bun or whatever you call it in your country. So this is gonna be like a cookie dough texture. You know, like when you're making cookies, so it's supposed to have a texture like that. Texture like this to give it that rock texture. Isn't this cute, my okay? Look at this. Oh my god, we should open a restaurant. This smells so good. So anyway, now we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna get our greasing tin and we're gonna grease and come back. So to grease your baking tin, you can go ahead and use palm, but I'm gonna use some butter and then a hand towel. I'm just gonna over baking. And I'm using my good old turkey pan because the baking sheet or the baking pan that I have is too small to hold in these amount of rock cake. Okay. So we're gonna start by taking a small amount like this and we're gonna put them into the pan like that. Okay, give them a little shape. You know, give them a little bun shape. Okay. What? What, Maya? What I did? You clearing the throat on me?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so I give it a shape over. Take it down. Let me give you an elbow. And you're gonna put it right there, not too close. Yeah. See that?
Like this?
Yeah. And you're gonna put this piece that you put right over here. And you're gonna put it. Nice. Giving them a shape. Good job.
This is my milk.
Yeah. You're gonna just put them into the pot. Put them into the pan for me.
I'll put it down for you.
Okay, you can use your small spoon, spatula, and I use my big spatula. Okay. To make this even faster. Okay?
Okay.
And put them down like this.
This is the little one, so we're gonna eat this one.
So this is what we have here, man. We're gonna put them in the oven now and bake them for 45 minutes to 30 minutes to 45 minutes and come back. So it has been 45 minutes into the oven now. It's time to remove these beloved gorgeous rock cake. These are gorgeous, Moya.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at them. This is our finished product. Look at this beautiful rock cake. They're so gorgeous. Look at them. Hot and smells so nice with all those flavor bursting. Now we're gonna do a taste test. Look at these lovely rock buns or rock cake. Jamaican rock cake or Caribbean West Indian food. You know, let me share one for me and you. So they're hard on the outside and very nice on the inside. Look at that. Here, taste it. You have to cool it first. Look at this. Oh my god, very hard on the outside.
Yummy! Look guys!
And yummy in the inside.
Yum. Yes. Yes.
It's very good. Oh my god.
Together.
Look at this.
Mommy.
Very delicious.
Mommy.
Hmm?
Let's make a hot cookie of this corn.
Yeah, it's nice. You taste it?
Yeah. Mommy.
Very delicious. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
And you can check out our other videos.
Mommy. Let's make our other cookie hot.
Yeah, these are very nice.
Mommy.
Bye guys.